I'm Katie, welcome to Pedalways. Today I'm going to teach you how to take the pedals off of your bike. So for this, you're going to need Allen keys or hex keys, depending on what you call them. I happen to know that my largest Allen key fits into the bolt on the back side of my pedals here. So if you go to the bottom of your crank arm to your pedal on the inside, there's a bolt that needs to be unscrewed in order for you to get this pedal off. With trial and error with your hex keys or Allen keys, you can figure out which key fits in the bolt to unscrew it. So I'm going to take my Allen key here, I'm going to put it in that bolt, and I'm going to make sure that my pedal is on the downstroke or down side of my bike, and I just prefer that so that I can hold on firmly. I'm going to make sure my Allen key is firmly in, and I'm going to unlock this bolt by screwing counterclockwise. Now that is opposite to what we normally know for every other screw. But if you think about it, the way to remember is when you are pedaling, you're tightening the pedal onto the bike. So by going counterclockwise, we can get it off of the bike.